Buttercups! Welcome to Pancake Show! Guys, mahilig ba kayo sa mga food trip? Hindi yung basta food trip lang yung kakaiba. Dito ako sa Cavite area to taste different native dishes. Let's check out kung anong meron sila. Tara! Excuse me po, ate, pa-order po.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, good
What's your
morning
order?
po. Ano pong meron?
Tapang kabayo, tapang kalabaw.
Kabayo? Kabayo? Asan kabayo?
Your horse.
Mali yata napasukan ko.
Tapang
Why do you
kalabaw.
call tapang kabayo? Kasi matapang yung kabayo?
No,
Tapos ano pa?
may tapang kalabaw po.
Kalabaw?
Ang sinabawan lang po namin ay tapang kalabaw, tapak.
Huh?
Butag na to.
Puro ka tapang ate.
May paa po kami ng kalabaw, native chicken halang, sinampalokang kambing. Yun po ang soup namin.
What's your best seller?
All,
All?
yeah.
Sige po, since I never tried yung tapang kabayo, tingnan natin kung gaano siya matapang. Pwede po, for one order.
One order?
Yes. Ate, do you also have, dog meat?
Alaga lang po namin.
Okay. And then, one kalabaw?
Kalabaw, tapang kalabaw.
Yes.
May kaldereta po. May kaldereta kami
Kaldereta
po.
kambing?
Opo.
Okay.
Isang
Mga ilan
kaldereta?
minutes po siya?
Mga 10 to minutes, ma'am.
Sige po, sige po.
May
Go.
crispy mushroom po kami.
Crispy mushroom.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me try. What else do you have?
May native chicken,
Oo.
paa ng kalabaw, sinampalokang kambing.
Anong lasa ng paa ng kalabaw? Okay. Okay, so let me try yung native chicken.
And then chicken. Hintay na lang po mga 5 to 10 minutes.
So, what's this? Okay. And then, kalderetang kambing. Okay. And then, kalabaw. Kalabaw and tapang kabayo. Yes. Halang-halang. Native chicken. So it's cooked. Guys, Buttercup! Ito na sila! Yay! Tama-tama yung panahon ng lakas ng ulan. So, while it's raining here and it's very cold, let's try first yung sabaw. Grabe. Ay, parang ano siya, similar siya ng tinolang manok. Like, tinolang manok and bulalo, it's mixed. Wala na, hindi na malamig. So, next try naman natin yung tapang kabayo. Parang beef tapa lang. If I don't mention na tapang kabayo, it tastes like, tapa. Ito naman, tapang kalabaw. Parang beef lang din. Parang sila ng lasa. Then, next one is kalderetang kambing. Nawa ako ka sa kambing. They are very small di ba? But let's try. What do you call this in Tagalog? Juicy? Or chewy? Something like that. Ano yun, guys? Ano yung Buttercups? Ano yun sa Tagalog? I want to tell the owner the taste. Yeah, sige, mag-comment kayo. May Gcash event ako, Comment below, what is that in Tagalog? Okay, let's try yung crispy mushroom. What type of mushroom is this po, sir? Oyster mushroom? Let's check kung anong itsura ng oyster mushroom.
White,
What?
white and like shell.
Bagay na sa ibang ulam. Parang chicken lang. I can say, ito pala yung itsura, yung puti. The foods are, sobrang sarap na na-expect kasi it's my first time to taste kabayo, kalabaw, kambing. I think it's very weird for me. Pero after I taste, grabe. Parang ano lang siya, parang beef lang. Beef yung taste. I can feel na it's kabayo or it's kalabaw. Okay, so mga Buttercups, let me say sorry first to them. Pasensya na I'm really sorry, but I have to eat you because I'm super hungry. Pasensya na, sorry kabayo, sorry kalabaw, and sorry kambing. Oh, grabe, ang sarap. I think I have to order one more rice. Buttercups, what are you waiting? Let's join.